Well, good morning. It's Friday, and I don't even know. Probably March 6th, I think. Okay, yeah, Kevin agrees. I was working on these carbs and starting to put them together, and I got distracted, which brings me to the subject of my brother has a great T-shirt. I covet my brother Kim's T-shirt. It says on the front of it, "I do not get easily distracted." Is that a motorcycle? I crack up every time. Anyway, so I got distracted. I thought I better take the throttle assembly off because it's pretty cruddy and stuck. And it was just it was really bad inside and a lot of crud. And half the no snap was caused by that. The other half is caused by the cables, which I'm cleaning now. But in the meantime, Kevin showed up and I said, well, take over this while I do this cruddy, greasy job. So he's putting the carbs together while I work on the throttles. And then we're going to get those carburetors back on the bike. And I'm not sure what we're doing next. We could spin the motor and check for spark. No, we can't. We don't have the spark coils yet. Yeah. We might. I'm not sure. We'll get the carbs back on, get some good snap. Oh, I know. You know, while we've got everything hanging out here in the wind, Kevin, sensors indicate that the bike has probably not been tuned in a long time. Mm-hmm. Let's pull the valve caps off and check the rocker gaps.
Sure.
I mean, it's right here in front of us.
Yeah.
There's
easy before the carbs go on. Yeah.
Before the carbs go on, before the tank goes
Absolutely.
on, we'll go ahead and we'll check the valve clearances, and then depending on our energy levels, we might put this bike down and put the green monster back up because I got the oil pump in for it. So that's the plan for today. Yeah, I think that's a reasonably good plan. Okay, it's 10:30 now. So we've been working for about an hour or so. Kevin's got the all the rockers. Actually, they all spec'd out just fine. They were 6 and 8. Actually, nice, cool 6 and 8. I mean,
absolutely, very nice.
Not bad at all. So that's good news. Got the everything cleaned up over here. He's got the carburetors put together, ready to hang. I've got this throttle assembly. Hoy bay, the work I put into the throttle. That took a bunch of cleaning, but I got the throttle assembly to the point where I think we're going to get good snap. And that's where we are. So we're going to close up the valves. They're going to hang the carburetors. And do something after that. Don't know what. Yeah, have coffee. Yes, it'll be time for coffee. Okay, cool. So that's where we are. Well, it's still Friday, and it's 12:30, and I'm at a stopping point because I need coils in order to throw spark. And after installing the coils, I have to put the tank on. I put the gas lines on. Kevin mounted the. Kevin finished up the rebuild on the carbs, cleaning and rebuilding, and then put the carbs back on the bike, which is no mean feat. It's difficult to get those Allen screws in place. In the meantime, back at the ranch, I spent basically all morning cleaning the internal workings on the throttle cables and lubing them. And the splitter was all crudded up. And basically, at this point, we got really good snap. It took a while. So I cleaned the inside of the throttle cable control. We got good front brake. At least it feels good. So, I mean, that sounds great. So, ignition system is in, initial timing is set. So we're just waiting for the spark coils. This cable here goes to the coils, about like that, and then cut off the excess. Here's the Pason, not the, this is the vape box underneath of there, right there. And it's looking good. So once I get the coils and the air cleaner filter and the additional clutch plates that I need, I'll be able to close this guy up. Yeah, the clutch plates are back ordered. It said it'll be a couple extra days, which basically means probably the middle of next week. So probably I'll just put this bike aside and put the green monster up and try to get the timing case put back together. That'll be neat. But right now it's noon 30 on a Friday, and I'm going to go make some lunch and basically call it a day.